Hello there, Data Recovery Guru here. Hope all is well. Today we are working on this 1 terabyte Toshiba external drive. It's a drive from 2014. It's from a local customer here in the Boston area. Very common external drive, just like the Seagate and the WD products of the world. Now, we shot this video because we wanted to make a point about using a data recovery approach over USB versus SATA. Okay, so we removed the hard drive from the enclosure. The reason being is because the hard drive, when it's connected over USB to the computer, is not mounting on Windows or any other machine, and we are not able to access the file. So the drive is damaged, the disks are degraded, therefore the files are not accessible. So the customer brought it to us, and now we are going to discuss those two different recovery approaches, USB versus SATA. So when you remove the hard drive from the external enclosure, by design, the drive is going to have a USB interface in the electronics. Okay, it's the same with WD products. They all have USB integrated for all of the 2016 and newer models. Okay, Toshiba started back in 2014. Now we did a conversion. We modified the firmware so that the drive can also work with SATA. So we did two recoveries, one over USB and one using SATA interface. Okay, so we used the same equipment, PC8000 for both. Over USB we use the DISPAR, and then for the SATA we use the regular connection here, but we use the same advanced software, PC8000. Okay, so the results here are these. This is the USB recovery results. We recovered about 20,752 files. Out of those, about 3,595 will have disk reading errors, therefore likely will be corrupt. On this side, these are the SATA results. So we recovered about 22,212 files, and then about 1149 out of those will be corrupt. So the point here is that SATA is much more successful in recovery compared to USB. Not only we are recovering more files, but we are also decreasing the number of corrupt files. Now, this is what a professional is going to do for you in order to maximize chances of recovery. We have the expertise to basically work and modify the drive's hardware and software so that it's more stable and we can recover data more successfully compared to over USB, which is unstable and it doesn't work very well. All right, so if you have any questions or you need help, visit datarecoveryguru.com, click on the blue button, fill out the form, and we'll be in touch with you shortly after. Questions, check out this number. All right, thank you.